Hey, backyard terrain fans, thanks for tuning in. I've got a cool little engine here that we just built. It had been in the shop for a while. This 1122 SP GP9 Black Widow. This guy has 4 motors and 4 deep cell marine batteries, the extended headlights, the caution lights on each end. And this is also just an instructional video on how to fire this thing up. It's not gas, so it's actually pretty dang easy. All the controls are underneath this fan, which is removable. You've got your master switch right here, master battery. That's an all-metal switch rated at about 300 amps. The caution light switch is right here, this little guy. It's hard to see inside there, but the one right back there next to the charge jack, which is basically a 3-pin XLR charger. But yeah, caution light's pretty easy to turn on. Front and rear headlights are actually just on the hand controller here. So that'll be the back end. And inside there we have actually another switch here, which is the lighted number boards. And marker lights. So yeah, turn the battery master on. The sound actually gets turned on and off first, which is the center switch here. And next to that is the volume. Hold up or down for volume control. So yeah, you're pretty much ready to go at this point. Flip up the master. So that basically just sends power to the speed controller through a couple relays, and then you're ready to go. So thanks for checking it out. Have a good one.